Plug.
What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Mark Giggy, you know what I'm saying? Coming to y'all with my first, POV. But, we got the 2024 black, black on black package, ST line, Ford Edge. Like I said, 2024, yes, indeed. But, I'm going to give y'all a nice little all-around look at what the car look like, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all what we working with. We go black 5% tint on them, you know what I'm saying? So they can't see in. But, you know what I'm saying? We just... we did the tail lights, with the little tint, and then we did the we'll come over here. We did the nice little goddamn headlights with tint tool. Like I said, black on black package. You feel me? We go all around the car with it. You know what I'm saying? Keep out the license plate. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, this ain't no fast shit, but it is some nice little quick shit. You feel me? We go nice little wheels on them, little Scorpion joints. If y'all know, y'all know. But without further ado, I'm going to just hop into this POV. We is at a disclosed location, Mexico, you feel me? But we about to get into this POV, and I'm going to catch y'all when we in this joint.
Plug.
What's the deal, y'all? Y'all probably like, what is this angle? What is this everything? But just know that I got y'all. I did redo the video, so in the next clip after this, y'all going to see the right everything. And yeah, so my bad, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments what y'all want to see on the car channel. And yeah, stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe.
Plug.
All right, y'all. Since the camera, the camera was all tilted and stuff, and when I recorded it the other time, I'm gonna give y'all a part 2 of what I said. You know what I'm saying? And this POV. You know what I'm saying? My bad, y'all. Like I said, this is my very first POV. If y'all want to check me out at any other, page, now I do got another page, Marv Geekin. I don't know if this is going on this one or this the regular page, which is Marv Geekin, or my new car content page. So, like I said, go to Marv Geekin if y'all want to see vlogs, challenges, the whole rundown other than car content. But like I said, you know what I'm saying, 2024 Ford Edge ST line come with I don't know how big this is, like I'll say like 20-inch, nah, not even 20-inch, like 10-inch iPad screen, you know what I'm saying? But it got a nice little cool little features or whatnot. It do got sport mode, but it has no paddle shifters. I think you have to get a ST for the paddle shifters. I'm gonna do a U-turn real quick. You know what I'm saying? But we just almost crashed twice on a goddamn video. But I'm gonna give y'all a nice little quick little POV. Like I said, sorry. Goddamn quality is bad. But we back right now. You know what I'm saying? Got 160 on the dash. Got a nice little engine to it, nice little sound to it. Speakers are cool. They mid as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. It's so many other speakers that's better than me. Like Japanese speakers are better somehow. But you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But it's currently 9:46. We're giving y'all a nice little POV in the black on black Ford Edge. You know what I'm saying? We do go 10 and 2, like I tried to say before. 10 and 2 most definitely is the thing to go. Most control in the car for y'all new drivers out there. Give y'all how to drive. Moving Marv. Listen by Marv. Look, I got the lovely princess next to me saying passenger. You know what I'm saying? Got a guest in the car, but let me know how y'all day going down in the comments. We got a gas station right here on the corner. I mean, this spot, this city right here is highly, police bound. You know what I'm saying? So police on damn near every corner, so you can't go too fast. But we say fuck 12 around here. I don't know if y'all like that, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna show y'all what this engine sound like. I'm putting it in sport mode for y'all. Like I said, fuck 12, so About to hear this joint. It don't sound much of nothing. It ain't geek. It ain't got no Hemi engine on it. No, they go by the EcoBoost. Ford do got the EcoBoost. I know EcoBoost cool. It take a long time to go. They got the Dodge. Got Hemi bound. So that shit quick. That shit instant. I think I just seen a firework up here. I ain't gonna lie, but I don't know. I might take y'all on the freeway. Show y'all how I get down on the freeway. I like to swim. If y'all know what swim mean, you know what I'm saying, it's like going in between and out of cars. So I'm putting y'all onto the new lingo, you know what I'm saying. Ain't nobody else saying swim out here, you know what I'm saying. Once I say swim, you already know what the deal is. Y'all better buckle up your seat, strap down. But no though, if y'all tapping in, if y'all watching this, let me know what type of car y'all got. You know what I'm saying? I know there's some people out here that got, Toyota Camrys, goddamn Dodge Pacifica, goddamn Mazda X3, Mazda 3, Ford Expedition, Scat Pack, Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? Dodge Durangos. But let me know down in the comments what y'all got. You know what I'm saying? This is my second car. I used to have a Ford Focus. You know what I'm saying? It was a little bitty bit, but it did the job. It was my very first car. I don't even know what to go, y'all. But I ain't trying to go too far from where I gotta be at. So I'm just giving y'all this quick little joint. But yeah, I should have went that way. And then do a little U-turn for y'all. Cause a little active on the, never mind. It was a little active on the freeway, but yeah. Let me show y'all what. You can't play games on this joint though, like if you go into entertainment, well, I gotta be stopped real quick. So next light, I'm gonna show y'all what you can do on here. Let me hurry up and stop at this red light. See, they call me moving hard, bro. You see how damn, this bitch about to turn green. Green where? But let me get y'all a story time. The whole video is about this story time. Cause I was just doing car content. This is my very first time doing car content. So I feel like this was a special moment for me, to tell y'all. But tell me why I'm at the gas station. I said this in the other video, but tell me why I'm in the gas station. You know what I'm saying? Taking pictures of the car. Woody. My girl helping me out. She over there standing there saying pretty, you know what I'm saying? Doing her thing, making sure that she look good, but next to her nigga. But tell me why the police come out from the back of the goddamn gas station, right? And they over there strolling, you know how when you pull up slow, you can peep when somebody there. I peeped them, and I'm like, all right, babe, let's go. Tell me why they over there parked the car. I did back off to take some pictures, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what I wanted to do. I don't give a fuck about 12 looking at me, lurking and see what the fuck I'm doing. You worrying about the wrong damn thing. You got other shit to worry about. But, I think this is another Ford plant. Just to hop off topic, I think this is another Ford plant. I think they make the Broncos over here, I ain't gonna lie. Or some type of car. But, back to my story time. I did back out to take some more pictures of my car. Tell me why bro pulled off instantly. Like, he seen a young nigga not doing a damn thing and pulled off. That's what happened when you got your shit right. I swear to God, if I had a Scat Pack, a Hellcat, or something along those lines, that's something fast, he probably had ran my plates, probably got questioned me, probably flicked the lights on me or something like that. And I had probably got, I don't know. I probably had got cuffed up because I do got a little zizzy in the car, feel me? But it is what it is. Everybody got something in their car that they're not supposed to have, but yeah, we about to go to the Ford dealership, y'all. and then I'm gonna conclude. I'm gonna compare all the other Ford Edges to my shit, cause you know my shit is different, very different. I go 5% tint and tint on the headlights and taillights. Who you know got a Ford Edge with a headlight on taillight tint? Goddamn. But I don't know. I'm about to get my front windshield tint. That's the next mod to my car. But I don't know what other cars I'm about to get, cause I am in a lease. I get a new car in 2026, 2027, so I don't know what's gonna be out. I work at Ford, so I don't know. Ooh, what's this Mustang right here? I know we gonna show y'all those. We gonna pop out and goddamn show y'all what they got over here. I know they got some cool ass shit too. But like I said, I might get a little discount, might get a little Mustang. I like Mustangs. They sound good. But yeah, I don't know. I want some fast shit though. I can't do no 4-cylinder V6, cause the Mustangs and stuff right here. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all what they got. Plug. All right, y'all. Like I said, we got the Ford dealership. You know what I'm saying? We got Big Ford right here. I don't see if I can fix y'all. They got some cool stuff over here. They got a nice little. I think this one of the slower Mustangs, but I don't like how they got soft top on it though. But it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, nice little design on that. They got a nice little hood on it. Oh, it's a 5.0. It's cool. It sounds good. I ain't gonna lie. But I like this one. I don't like the green, but it's cool. And then it needs some black wheels on it. It's another 5.0. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all what the front look like or not. That's what the front look like, yeah. I don't know. Oh, this is another Ford Edge. This is a Ford Edge, though. This is what the basic model Ford Edge look like. Here, I'm gonna show y'all mine first, and then I'm gonna show y'all what the other one look like. You know, we go nice little. Like, look at it, bro. Look at this, bro. Clean. And then you come over here to goddamn regular Ford Edge. This is what a regular Ford Edge look like, y'all. You go chrome with some ugly ass rim. And goddamn, let's look at it, bro. I don't even know what this is. I think I got this on my car, but it's black. But I don't know, y'all. And then what is this? Like, bro, what? But no, y'all, it's an SEL. I think I got an SEL too, though. Mine's look better. And I wish mine had like these. Mine's go from. Oh, this is a titanium. But this for like. I wish my exhaust tips was like this. But no, y'all. This is what the red one look like. It's another. Yeah, this is another Edge, y'all. I don't know what this is. This like all of them look ass. Not gonna lie. You heard that? But this another Edge, y'all. This joint look buns too. But no, like I like this Mustang. This Mustang truck. It's cool. It's nice and simple. I ain't like this is the best new car they have. And it's quick. Black on black, this is hard. I ain't gonna lie. But no, though. I got a nice little Acura here. Acura is cool. I like the cars. But no, though. Like I said, this is my very first POV. So I hope y'all like the video. Make sure I leave a like, comment, subscribe, and check out that other channel. You know what I'm saying? Marv Geeking. But without further ado, y'all see me in the next video. So we out. Peace.